is everything. Is everything. What is meant to be will be.
Hey everyone, what's up? Mona B here. So today I am back with my new series. So I did let you guys know, I can't remember what video it was, that I was going to be starting a new series. So today is the day we're going to jump right into the series. So I know you guys are probably wondering, like, what are you going to be doing, Mona? So we're going to take it to the next level. You guys know I've been on YouTube for a while. I reviewed a lot of products. I have tried a lot of products. But I'm like, you know what your girl hasn't tried? I haven't tried a lot of natural products. I mean, you know, we're natural, so why not go natural, if you get what I'm saying? So I will be trying out different concoctions and things like that on my hair. Now, I know this may not be for everybody, and that is okay. You may not want to concoct stuff. You may just want to go ahead and cop something from the store. Perfectly fine. But I thought, why not I demonstrate for you guys. If you ever been interested in a concoction and want to know how it worked on the hair, on natural hair, well, I'm your girl, because I'm going to be doing a lot of different concoctions here for this new series called Going Natural. Now, I do want to put a disclaimer. I only will be using the natural products within these videos. I may every now and again use them in a tutorial, so you might see them in a tutorial, you might not. We just don't know. Well, I'm just literally going with the flow. But for the bulk of them, they will be inside of these videos, okay? The Going Natural series, that's what we're calling it. And today, I'm going to be doing like the basic one, I guess, that everyone has tried here on YouTube. But I have yet to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and see how it works. So I hope you guys are really excited for my new series. Comment down below some concoctions you guys may want your girl to try on her hair. And just stay tuned to the first one that we're going to be trying together, because y'all going to be trying it with me, is the Aloe Vera plant. Aloe Vera. Aloe Vera. That's kind of tongue twister. You can kind of say it wrong. But anyways, Aloe Vera plant. This is what it looks like. It's pretty long. I got this from my local farmer's market. It was about $3, I believe. And yeah, it's really pointy on the ends. And so, yes, I will be using this today. I'm really excited. And how I will be using mine is I will be using mine as a deep conditioner slash a pre-poo. I never really pre-poo my hair, but yeah, I just never really do it. So basically, aloe vera is very healthy for your hair. It's the people use it on their skin, things like that. It's really good for dry hair, flaky scalp, deep conditioning. It also helps to define your curls, and it is also good for dandruff. It is good for a lot of different things as well. So I'll link an article in the description box below with different ways that you can use aloe vera, and you can make gel out of it to do twist outs and things like that. So I may be doing that. Y'all just have to stay tuned. But let's just go ahead and get into this. Okay, guys, I really don't know how this works. I did not watch any tutorials or anything before I did this. So basically, I'm going to take this knife and I guess cut it. Oh gosh. Ooh, we got some aloe vera. We got some aloe vera. Aloe vera. Okay. So I'm just going to cut this and I guess skin it. I don't really know. I'm just going to use this bowl. Ooh, it's really slippery. I mean, this is real aloe vera. Y'all look. Now, I have seen aloe vera before. It's been a long time. When I was growing up, this lady in my neighborhood had an aloe vera plant. Wow, it's so slimy. And it has, I don't really like the smell of this. I don't really like the smell. Make sure you have a bag by when you're doing this, because I want to get as much of it out. I'm trying to get my money's worth, because I want to potentially use this again, you know. It's so funny. I wish I could see my dog is like running around this table trying to see what I'm doing. It's really slimy, guys. Okay, y'all, so this is how much I got. I got quite a bit. I'm really surprised. But yeah, you want to just make sure you try to get majority of the meat of the aloe vera plant out. So that's what I basically did. And as you guys can see, it is a gel. But I'm going to blend it, of course, because it has these big chunks in it. So I'm just going to open up my blender. If I can get the blender open. Okay. The blender is open, so we're just going to pour it in the blender. Like so. And now we're gonna blend it up. This is what my mixture looks like. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually save some of this because I'm not gonna use this all in my hair, so I'm just gonna put it in this container and I'll use it like as a gel or something. So I'm going to keep about that much, and then I'm going to save this much. And it's really bubbly. Is this supposed to look like this? Y'all, and it's fizzing up. And this is Experiment 101 with Wannabe. So, I'll let y'all know. Oh, it's starting to settle. I guess it just does that. For my deep conditioner, I'm just going to add some olive oil to the mixture because I read a recipe where you can just do olive oil. I'm just adding some. These measurements are not precise, okay? I'm just doing something. I'm just doing something. I'm just trying to ting. Okay, now I'm gonna mix it. Y'all, I'm actually gonna pour it in here. This has a little bit of castor oil in it, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. Because I feel like it'll be a lot easier for me to use it this way. Okay, yes, I'll put it in here, which is going to help me apply it to my hair a lot better. I probably should section my hair into 4 sections. Honestly, I'm too lazy, so I'm not doing that today. And that's just some Got2b glue and gel. I'm trying to think, should I spray my hair down? Yeah, let me spray my hair a little bit. My hair is so dry. I haven't did anything to this hair ever since I did a tutorial on it maybe a week ago. I haven't did anything. So yeah, that should be good. So I'm just going to put this side in a ponytail since I'm not sectioning my hair off. I don't feel like it. Oh, and you guys know in the last clip how it was foaming up and like bubbly? It's not like that anymore. It's settled. I like the way it feels. Really slippery. Yeah, I like how it feels. Okay, y'all, so far I do really like it. It's like really moisturizing. Like my hair feels really soft. I really only like concentrated or like put it mostly onto my scalp. But it feels so good. And the little squirt bottle, you know, it helps. The applicator bottle helps to get it directly on the scalp. But it feels really good. Like, I like this. Somebody's probably going to ask me, is it good for like detangling? So let's see. I'm just going to finger detangle and see. And yes, it does have a lot of slip. So you definitely could use this to detangle. For sure. Like, yeah. Like, look at my hands. Yeah, my hands are like going through my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna rinse this out of my hair. I'm gonna let it sit for like maybe 15 minutes. And then I'm just gonna, cause I'm not gonna like do a real deep condition. I'm just trying to do, I guess this is like a little pre-poo or whatever. I don't know. But once I rinse this out and stuff, I'm gonna definitely see how my hair feels. Like, and I will be back to let y'all know. I'm back. I know I look crazy, but I wanted to show you guys that I just used the Mane and Tail Deep Moisturizing Conditioner and Shampoo. It looks like this. I've been really liking this a lot lately, so I use this to rinse out my hair, wash my hair, and everything. Now, at the front of my hair, I do have some flakes. It's not from the Aloe Vera Deep Conditioner. It's actually because I had Got2b glue on my hair. And sometimes like when you leave it on there and you let it dry, it's hard to get out of your hair. And I wash my hair twice, but whatever, that's besides the point. It's definitely not from the aloe vera, but I have to say that I really did like it. Now I didn't leave it on for 15 minutes because I got a little scared because it started tingling and I wasn't really expecting that. So I'm like, let me rinse this out before I have an allergic reaction that I don't know about. But I rinsed it out and my hair is super soft, guys. Like, my hair feels so good, honestly. So yeah, I did really like it as a pre-poo, and I think I may mix it with other products though, like some more products, because it was really potent. So I'm assuming maybe that's why I started tingling on my hair. I'm not completely sure. I'm gonna have to do some more research on that. But yeah, maybe I will mix it with some more products. And then the leftovers that I have, there's just the pure aloe vera. I'm gonna use that probably in another Let's Go Natural experiment with me series video. So I'll probably just use that. You guys probably will see it in another video coming up soon, next week sometime. But yes, I actually do like it. I mean, it turned out really cool. My hair is soft. I typically don't pre-poo because I really don't see the point in it, but it did make my hair a lot softer. I do feel like it did. Usually my hair is soft anyways after I wash it. But yeah, it did feel a lot softer, so I like it. So comment down below and let me know if you have used aloe vera plants as a pre-poo or deep conditioner. Let me know your experience with it in the comment section below. I'm gonna probably just flat twist my hair, nothing big. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.